Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your SOUNDCORE Dot 3i. And before we're starting, I want to show you that I customized gestures. So I change for the double press, I add previous track for the left one and next track to play next track on the right one. Before it was play pause and next track. And press and hold for the left one I add Siri and for the right one play in pause. Single press I'm just use it what it have by default. Now let's test it. So if you press one time on your right earbud, you will increase the volume. So press on it and as you can see I increase. Let's press it again. And again I increase it. To lower the volume, just press on the control, on your left control. So press one time, and again I lower the volume, press again, and again I lower the volume. To play next track you should press two times on your right earbud. So 1, 2. And we play next track. To play previous track, press two times on your left earbud. 1, 2. Here we go. Also, if you press and hold on your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So press and hold. Now I pause the song, press and hold again. And I play a song. And the last one what we have is to call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I call Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant. So press and hold on your left earbud. And as you can see, Siri is awake. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!